Hello, beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the price of the major cryptocurrencies according to the beautiful site of CoinGecko. And we see that the market is trading in the green zone. So the price, for the last 24 hours. So the price of Bitcoin has started to rebound, and let's say the same price dynamic has been followed by the rest of the major cryptocurrencies. To some extent, their prices are also trying to rebound. And now one Bitcoin is trading at the level of $9,519. So it has recorded a 7.6% increase for the last 24 hours. And this is quite a decent increase for the last 24 hours. And who knows, it will be nice if the price of Bitcoin goes at least to the psychological level of $10,000 per one digital coin that we used to have prior to the Bitcoin halving. And I want to mention a positive tweet published by Adam Beck, the creator of Hashcash, and he said 8 hours ago, the Bitcoin market is gonna need, and etc., waiting for the 2K green daily candle. Really, it will be really nice if we see a candlestick that is 2K, so $2,000, and of course a green one. And if we see some kind of similar candlestick at the moment, let assume, or in the near future, it means that we will have at least $11.5 as a price of Bitcoin. And of course, if it happens, in my view, it will affect positively the prices of the rest of the major cryptocurrencies as well. And today I want to say I will talk about the price chart of HIVE, because we are Hivians. So let's move to the price chart of HIVE and let's see how it looks like, and if Bitcoin is able to bring some positivity to HIVE price as well. So this is actually the HIVE price chart against Bitcoin. I will switch to the price chart of HIVE against the USD, but just to let you know, just to share my point of view, that this was, let's say, the starting point of HIVE immediately after the hard fork, in the price chart. And it seems that after some volatility with some price decline and a solid price increase, we are almost at the starting point of the chart. So it seems that after this volatility, the price of HIVE against Bitcoin is almost at the similar level, and now it seems that we're in some kind of consolidation. But let's check the price of HIVE against the USD. And I just want to let you know once again that the price chart is quite short, so it is not that easy to conduct a technical analysis, to apply technical analysis to such short price chart. But anyway, let's try once again, because HIVE is a beautiful cryptocurrency. So let me just remove some unnecessary lines, and this is actually the price chart in the daily time frame. If we switch to the monthly time frame, we still have this one candlestick for the month of April, and this is the current candlestick for the month of May. They are not that indicative. Of course, to some extent we have some, let's say, slight bearish signal, because the price at the moment, the local low of this candlestick, is below the previous one. But we have to keep in mind that if we use the price chart of HIVE against BTC, we should have here some similar bullish candlestick with that size, and it means that there is no negativity, to be honest, if we take into account and the previous candlesticks that are not available here. If we switch to the weekly chart, also just 2 or 2.5 candlesticks, so it is too early to conduct a technical analysis in the monthly time frame. Once again, this is the current price of HIVE, 32 cents, 0.262, and let's check the daily time frame. I would like to say that after some kind of volatility or fluctuation, it seems that the price of HIVE is trying to stabilize a little bit higher than the psychological level of 30 cents per one digital coin, because we had a sequence of candlesticks in the daily time frame here with descending local highs and descending local lows. Then we have inverted hammer here, and now we have a kind of sequence of candlestick with slightly ascending local low. So it means that there is some kind of support here slightly above the psychological level of 30 cents per one digital coin. But I would just like to outline that although we have some slight positive signal, let's say, we still don't have a sequence of ascending local highs. I mean, if we check those candlesticks, so this is the local high, the next one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, we see that those local highs are also descending. So it means that the bulls are not strong enough according to the chart to push the price further up. So it means that probably we can conclude that in the daily time frame the price chart of HIVE is in some kind of consolidation phase and the volatility is decreasing. If we check the 4-hour chart, this is how it looks like. Or let's switch to the 1-hour chart. I just want to say that it looks like there is some kind of descending channel here, and now the price of HIVE is, let's say, at the upper bound of this or at the upper line of this descending channel. It would be nice if we see some kind of breakout, or if the price break through the upper line. But that's it for now. The price chart is not that indicative, to be honest. And I will continue to update you if I see some interesting technical patterns. But the last thing, once again, I want to highlight is that it seems that we have some kind of, we're in the beginning of some kind of consolidation, but we have to be very careful because the latest candlesticks, they still have this sequence. We're still in this sequence of candlesticks with descending local highs, and this is not that positive, to be honest, at the moment. And now let's switch to the statistics. HIVE related statistic published on a daily basis by Archange, and let me check his latest posts. This is the active user base in HIVE blockchain, the number of active users for the last 30 days. This is the number of curations, upvotes, and so on. What I want to mention is, let me just show you that the number of active users has rebounded, but it is still not that high. So we have on average on a daily basis about 12,000. So here is 12,000 active users in HIVE blockchain. It would be nice if we see at least 30 or $40,000 that used to be the case in Steam blockchain year or year and a half ago. So let's hope that by the end of the year we see that number relating to the active users base in HIVE blockchain. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next one. It was me at CryptoSpark.